Hi, this is Annoo and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would hang out together and do a haul again. I went this time to Joann Fabrics. Last time I did a haul, I went to Michael's, which is another big craft store that sells a lot of really nice, very affordable yarn. If you are in the United States, you surely know these. And if you are not in the United States, maybe it can inspire you to find similar yarns where you are. And some of them also you can sometimes find on Amazon, even if you live in another country and they ship outside of the US. But I thought I would share with you what I purchased today at Joann Fabrics. Needless to say that this video is not sponsored by Joann Fabrics store. Everything I purchase with my own money. I am totally obsessed with yarn. This is my passion, yarn, crochet, and that's why I decide to spend my money on yarn. It is a personal choice, of course, and I understand that it is way over the top. No one needs as many skins of yarn as I have, but yeah, that's me, and that's what I love, and that's my passion, and I am sharing it with you. And maybe it will inspire you in making better choices in what yarn you decide to buy. So I am giving you some information, and then you do whatever you want with it. Deal? Deal. But yeah, so I have two bags in front of me, and let's begin with the first one. So it's not a new one, it's an oldie but a goodie. I think this is the yarn I had used for my cocoon cardigan. I'm not quite sure, but I absolutely love this yarn. It has never let me down. It's perfect for the fall and the winter, and it is by the brand Lion brand, and it is Wool Ease. And this color in particular I am so obsessed with. It's a Rose Heather, and it's this kind of old rose that I would love to have a color for my lips. Beautiful, beautiful. If you guys know of a lipstick that has that color, let me know. Absolutely love it, and that is not drying for my older lips right there and crackled. But anyway, how many did I get of this? I got a few, about 2, 3, 3. And then I get 2 other colors. Oops, that's my ticket. See how long it is? Way too long. So I have the Rose Heather that I absolutely love. I took a deep plum that is called Dark Rose Heather. See how beautiful it is together? Beautiful. And then I purchased the third color that I think goes super well with it too, and this one is Lush Heather. So they're all heathers. Aren't they beautiful? I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but smitten by these colors. All right, so I get 3 of each color. So yeah, let me know what you think I should do with these. I will take requests. Then I'm into sparkly and gold. It's like the minute we begin to feel the fall, I'm already thinking holidays. I think it's the Caron Simply Soft Party. I don't know if you can see it. I might, put a little close-up picture right there, but it has little threads of gold in it. The color is called Chocolate Sparkle. And that's exactly what it is. It's kind of a milk chocolate color with little sparkle in it. Ooh, I love it. Absolutely love it. And that's from the brand Caron. Did I say Caron Simply Soft? I have 2 of these. I don't know, what do you think we should do with that? That would make a really nice hat or a beret or a scarf. Let me know what you would like me to do with that. Then I got, that I used actually in my last tutorial. And for my handbag, it is the Wool Ease Thick and Quick, and I get it at Joann, and it is in the color Starlight. And it's also, again, it's a cream color. It's a chunky yarn. It's a cream color with little threads of gold in it, and I use it to create my ruffled handbag that I posted, I think, a week ago. And some of you might win them because it is in my last week's giveaway. So Lion brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick in Starlight. Absolutely love it. Yes, very excited about that. So that's, let me take one that is not all disheveled. And that is again from Lion Brand. So Lion Brand is killing it this fall. It is Shawl in a Cake, and the color is so small that I might need to get my glasses. Moodstone, got it. So the color is Moodstone, and again it has a little thread. This time it's little threads of silver color in it, and look how beautiful it is. So that would be perfect for a shawl, I think, or so many other things. It's lace, it's very thin, it's a lace size, I think, yarn. But look at the beautiful color. It's kind of plum berry and then gray and teal blue. Really nice fall colors. Ooh, got 4 of these. I went a little overboard there. And then I purchased this, which also I used for my ruffled handbag that I posted last week. It is the Vanna's Choice, a Lion Brand again, and the color is topaz, and it's basically a golden color with golden thread in it, and it is perfect for the project, for the handbag, and I really like it. It's also super versatile. You can mix it with other yarn if you want a little bit of gold in your project, and it is an acrylic yarn, so it's really sturdy. You can wash it. I like Vanna's Choice yarn. She has a lot of really nice options. And what else did I get there? I forgot about this. Oh yeah, so I got the handles that I used for my ruffled handbag too, and that the brand is Everything Mary. They have really nice handles if you're looking to make handbags. They have chains, they have bamboo, they have leather. A really nice company that is not talked about enough, I think. And I got a super nice kind of handle chain, but this looks like the Chanel bags handles, and I thought it would be really cool to create a crochet black bag maybe with those gold chains. What do you think? If you're interested, let me know. And then the last thing, the company is called Me Too, that I get too, is a handle that is kind of those guitar handles that are, you can see on some designer bags too. And I thought that would be really fun too to use in one of the next handbags tutorial that I am planning for this year. And they have all kinds of colors. I chose those bright ones, but they have other ones. And that is it, my friends. That is what I purchased when I went to visit Joann Fabrics. I love going shopping for yarn. I always go to get one thing and I come out with way too many. I like creating tutorials and then giving the possibility to some of you or one of you to earn the material that I use in my tutorials. So I think that's going to become more what I am going to do. I think it's really cool, especially that some of you live so far away and don't have access to the American store. So yeah, stay posted. I hope you have enjoyed this super casual haul. I know I enjoyed shopping so much, but I wanted to share my bounty with you, and I hope you have enjoyed. So that's it. I hope I will see you soon for a tutorial this time. Come back next week. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate to do so. It's totally free, and once you're subscribed, it gives you access to my giveaways as well. Don't hesitate to click on the little bell if you want to be notified every time I post something new. Also, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. That is like sending me a virtual hug. The more thumbs up I have, the more it encourages me, and I know that I am going in the right direction and posting things that you like. That's it. So see you next time for a tutorial this time. I love you and happy crochet. Bye. It's right there. Let's see how I look there. Hi! This, actually it's needed, not needless, very much needed to say. The other one wasn't suspended. And my Michael's one wasn't oh my gosh, I cannot talk. And the other one wasn't sponsored by Michael's either. Yeah. Why is it so small? Topaz. Not my booty, my bounty.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light.